Hello there. Welcome to the C Programming Data Types Lecture 1. Any program or every program in C language consists of code and data. So the code is also termed as text section, which will normally be read only to protect from accidental damage. Okay. So now the data section or the data is stored in data section, which is again further classified as global data section and local data section, and then dynamic data section. So the global data section will basically consist of the data which belongs to the entire file or the entire project, depends on your modularity of your design. So global is again further classified as initialized and uninitialized sections. And local is the data that belongs to functions and blocks. We'll look at functions blocks later. And dynamic is stored on dynamic data is something which is when the data is created dynamically, which means the global data can be constants and variables. We'll come to that. Then the local data is stored on a structure called stack, and dynamic data is stored on a structure called heap. Okay, so this is our typical structure of a program, which has a hash include stdr.h. We will come to that. And then we have int main. So let me just print a message called hello there. So when I do this, I have to first do the compile this program. I'll say gcc -o. I am asking it to put the output in a file called output. The file name is 1.c. Okay. So we are getting these errors. Maybe we have left out, these should be comments. Okay. Comments will not be a part of any of the processing stages, so only it will be in the program listing. So I have something called output and I execute output. It says hello there. Now if I want to find, there is a command called size. It says, if I say output.exe, it gives me, if you see, text, data, and there is something called BSS. So BSS stand for block storage start, wherein we store what is called uninitialized data. And then we have this is the data, and this is our text section. You may be wondering that I have said that comments is not a part of any object code, but I only have few lines. How come that it has so much of text as a part of the output file? We'll come to that. We'll try and understand this in detail. This decimal is nothing but when you add all of this becomes this one, and then this is a hexadecimal representation. Thank you. So this is our first program. All right. Thank you.